Welcome to our channel. Employer payroll cards are efficient tools for receiving wages electronically. Activating your card online is straightforward and gives you immediate access to your earnings. Follow these steps. Step 1. Locate the activation instructions that came with your employer payroll card. Look for a website URL or QR code that directs you to the activation portal. Step 2. Using a computer or mobile device, visit the payroll card website specified in your materials. Make sure you're on the official secure site. Step 3. Look for a section labeled Activate Card, New Cardholders, or Get Started. Click on this option to begin the activation process. Step 4. Enter your payroll card number exactly as it appears on your card. You'll also need to provide the card's expiration date and security code. Step 5. Create your online account by providing personal information such as your full name, date of birth, social security number, and contact details for verification. Step 6. Set up a username and password for your payroll card account. Follow the security requirements displayed on screen for password strength. Step 7. You may be asked to create a PIN for your payroll card during the online activation. Choose a secure 4-digit number that you'll remember. Step 8. Review and submit your activation request. You should receive immediate confirmation that your employer payroll card is active. Sign in to your new account to check your balance and set up direct deposit details if needed. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.